How to reactivate your Messenger account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily reactivate your Messenger account. So without any delay, let's get started. There is no complex method to reactivate your Messenger. Once you have deactivated your Facebook, your Messenger will automatically be deactivated. So to easily reactivate your Messenger account, you simply need to download the application, and then when you are directed to the login page, simply enter your email and password. Once you enter it, click on login, and then you will easily be able to reactivate your Messenger account. You can also use the Messenger account while your Facebook is deactivated. That means you will not be able to see the feed but will be able to talk to your friends in Messenger. So that's all. That is how easily you can reactivate your Messenger account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.